Okay, now I am ready to eat the food that I prepared today. For those of you who watch my video, remember I actually did a black bean soup, and I also prepared a chicken, which is the free range chicken, which they call Poulet Rose. I think you can find that in Whole Food. So after, I would say, an average of 3 hours, because one of the things that you need to know about Haitian food, if you, since we cook from scratch, and there are certain meals that really take a long time. So that means if you're hungry, you're in a hurry, this type of meal is not what you should start cooking, because again, like I said, because we cook from scratch, and then some of those dishes take time. So you need an average of 3 hours to cook a nice typical Haitian meal. Okay, so I'm ready to eat my food. So I'm gonna show you what my plate looks like with the black bean soup. And I think I cooked it with some brown rice and then also the chicken. So this is what it actually looks like. So what you're looking at right now is my table ready to eat. So I kind of like red wine, so I'm having it with a little bit of red wine. This is a chicken piece that I am going to eat. This is actually the black bean soup, or the sauce poinois, and then also the brown rice which I cooked. And also, to really make it typical Haitian, I'm showing you that little napkin, which is made in Haiti. It's embroidered. I forgot the term, but yeah. So this is what I am going to be eating for dinner today. I wish you guys could be there to enjoy it with me, but I guarantee you that it really, really, really tastes good. Okay? Have a happy Sunday, all. Bye bye.